Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So a couple of days ago, I posted a video letting you know that if you are using YouTube Music, that Google had started rolling out a new user interface redesign and sidebar changes for the desktop app. Now, if you would be interested, I'll leave a link to that video in the description. But just to let you know about another change that Google has started rolling out, which I have noticed over the last day or so. And we now get another quarterly recap, which in my region, which is in the Southern Hemisphere, is called the fall recap. So obviously this is region specific. So if you are seeing this as an example in the Northern Hemisphere, this may be called the spring recap. Now, these recaps, as I did post on, started rolling out late last year. And they were called the recap for 2022, which included a recap page on YouTube Music where you could check out your personalized stats for the year, such as your favorite artists, your songs, your music videos, playlists, and so on. And I'll also leave a link to that video down below for more info, because it'll just give you more info regarding today's video. Now, as mentioned, we get a new fall recap in my region, where previously we had the fall recap for 2022, the winter recap, and the spring recap for 2022, which were quarterly recaps, obviously. And for those quarterly recaps, we got 50 songs each in those playlists that were generated by YouTube Music. And then for the yearly recap, the 2022 recap, we got 100 songs. And these are obviously the songs in those different quarters that you listened to the most according to YouTube Music. And the same applies for the fall recap for 2023 now. And we also get 50 songs which have been added to the playlist. And these are the songs you have listened to the most according to YouTube Music. And I have found it actually quite interesting over the last couple of hours just to listen to my favorite so-called songs for fall in my region, which is actually quite interesting to hear what you have been listening to on a regular basis. Now, something about these recaps is that you can actually add them to your library, and you can also add them to a playlist, which is a handy feature, because after a certain while, YouTube Music will start removing some of these recaps. And as an example, they have already removed the 2021 yearly recap. And that means if you had saved that as a playlist, which I have, you can listen to it for the whole year as an example. So you can do the same. You can add your playlist to your library, and you can also add it to another playlist, and you can obviously remove that playlist, that recap, from your library, and you can also remove the recap from any playlist as well. And just to let you know that if you're also using YouTube Music on your mobile device, that the same recap now has started rolling out to the mobile app as well. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.